so many times, Joe, from our perspective, when we engage with a prospect or we even engage with our existing customers, there's always the evaluation of, is the technology the right technology for you? Are there things that you want to be doing with your mobile security strategy that maybe extend beyond your existing platform? And really, where we have excelled is being able to be an objective voice for our customers and being able to go out and say, look, based upon your use case, based upon your infrastructure, culture, budget, what's going to be the best fit for you, not only in the short term, but really in the long term? Is the long term goals to really move toward a zero trust network architecture and zero trust network access environment? Or do you just need to push out, purpose built devices and have some control management and visibility into them? So there are very different use cases that allow us to help provide you the necessary resources you need to figure out the best solution. We already have those partners in place, so you don't have to take the time to go look at all of these different vendors, get pulled into the POC process. We can help narrow that focus down. Maybe you feel the focus starts at 5 vendors. Let's narrow it down to 2 or 3. And if you really need to put it through its paces, let's go ahead and stand up a small POC for you. And now you can evaluate based upon a specific criteria of what you're looking to do. And that only comes from our knowledge and expertise of working with so many customers over a 16-year period. As an organization, we have done over 1,500 full-blown mobile security implementations that can range from MDM to mobile threat defense to the integration of both, and then the layering on top with identity management and federating cloud services. Well, that only comes from knowledge, expertise, and being around so many different use cases that we can say we can take and dwell upon the experiences that we had there and how we were able to pull that together for a particular customer in a particular vertical of a particular size. And now there's some confidence, some trusted advisory that we can provide our customers around that landscape.